5 Best Powerline Network Adapters. Here is the product number 5. Powerline Adapter Wireless Wi-Fi Extender. Brand name, Wavlink. Transmission rate, 300 Mbps. Package, yes. Certifications, FCC SROS. Color, white. Type, Powerline Extender. Plug specifications, EU/US/UK plug. Voltage, 100-240 volts. Here is the product number 4. Tenda Network Switches. Auto NDI/Mdix simplifies networking and maintenance. Full wire speed forwarding ensures a smooth network experience. Flow control for full duplex and back pressure for half duplex avoids frame dropping as port blocked. Adopts store and forward mechanism and provides 4K MAC address table. 9K jumbo frame improves the forwarding speed of large data. Here is the product number 3. Wavlink Powerline Adapter. Extend your network coverage over your electrical system to every room. Turn your home's existing electrical circuitry into a high-speed network. No new wires, use your home's existing electrical wiring. Home plug AV500 standard compliant, high-speed data transfer speeds. Up to 300 meter, 1000 feet, range over the household power circuit, easy to install. Here is the product number 2. Tenda PH5 Powerline Network Adapter. Transmission rate, 1000 Mbps. Brand name, Tenda. Package, yes. Wireless transmission rate, 300 Mbps. Powerline transmission rate, 1000 Mbps. Here is the product number 1. Tenda PH3 Powerline Network Adapter. Transmission rate, 1000 Mbps. Brand name, Tenda. Package, yes. Interface, 1x10/100/1000 Modulation technology, OFDM, CSMA/California. Dimension, 82x60 32 mm. Check the description below for the link and more items. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Like, comment and share.